Hello everyone, welcome to Primexar's 3-day workshop. We are trainers, some with 5 years of experience, some with 17 years of experience. We have seen the profits as well as the losses. Mr. Guru Ganesh, as he shows us real accounts, real trades.
Yeah, thank you so much, Anal Softy. That was a wonderful introduction. I can able to see that. I can able to see the lovely audience today. This is an empty file, it is a meta course, it is a real live account.
Can you tell us how you started trading? What inspired you or triggered you to get started?
To be honest, that everything is started out of jealousy.
So our take profit and stop loss will be according to the ATR value. And once you follow a system with discipline, your strategy becomes powerful for you guys. He started again with 1250. You can see the name here. Do you know what? He reached to $51,000 and he deposited again 1250. He started with the same amount here. You can see clearly deposit. Now he is with the profit of 54,923. We as a team from Primexar, we are here for you guys to help you anytime. You can text us on our official social contacts and book appointments.
This is where your journey really begins. What is your dream? Leverage. That make Forex different, not just different but unfairly powerful. Leverage means you control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. Adding one more, right? So we can consider the average pip movement as 134 for this currency pair. The price will be 2 times of the average pip, right? That we added to the opening price of the current candle. Leverage is one of the main reasons people choose Forex as a secondary income.
You want to make big, and once the market turns back on you, you lose everything. And then you start saying that Forex is gambling. It's a scam. Actually, it's not, guys. It's your mindset.
I will prove you that probability is seen in and day out all around us. Congratulations. Yes, I think everybody have woken up with a lot of intuition charge, I believe, and a lot others, they said they want to be confident while trading.
Because people are obsessed with gold. Somewhere in their mind, there is that belief that gold will always go up. 2008 financial crisis. House value drops by 70%.
Fast fingers to work in the chat box. Metal of safety. It's none other than gold. Industrial metal. Copper, we got the correct answer. Is it currencies or commodities? It is commodities. It is not Forex.
I know one of you will be the winner.
So second thing, what was the second question, sir? I forgot.
No issues, okay. What is the monthly returns like? No, this is like no common most questions asked by many people.
How many of you know how to code? The numbers have drastically dropped. NEA is a Forex trading robot. This will work based on the instructions that you give. Jana, click on start.
Okay.
You two guys, click on start.
If someone had ran this strategy 1 month ago, it would have made a 113 profit.
Look at the amount of trades it have taken. I mean, it is working wonders. EA will definitely be affected if you are not up to date with the news. Or we are clubbing technology with trading. That's most powerful. I will help you personally with creating these EAs, along with the experts here at Primexar.
The Primexar community fixes that. You grow with the market. You grow with experienced traders and feedback. First, access to our future trading techniques, real market adaptation. Because what worked last year will not keep on working forever. So this is the beauty of the Primexar community.
It's very important that language, it's not about language preference. This is about removing unnecessary friction from learning.
Sorry to cut you, Mr. Ganesh. Why you guys are giving it for free? So the answer is this community. We just want to expand our community.
10 structured day-wise lessons. We break things down step by step. And lifetime support, because learning the market is an ongoing process, guys.
You can always contact us for one-on-one session. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next webinar.